Say hi, Natalia.
Hello.
Pretty sick shoot. Or shoots. But we'll start here. You know what you're looking at? The Lancia Stratos. You ready for it? We decided to come back here instead. A better spot. Yeah, Lancia Stratos. I low-key wish we were gearing up to set you off on a rally.
Ready, set, go.
Right? So yeah, they're just getting it all cleaned up for me. This car is so cool. Yeah, it's a real deal.
Wait, where do you want this?
I have to do a very detailed shoot on this, so I can't really drag you guys through the process. Plus, I have more than one to shoot. So, yeah, I have to take very detailed photos. So I'm gonna go inside, outside, and then open it up, get the engine bay, get the everything. It wasn't easy, but we got it open. So you guys get to see the details. So it's a V6, naturally aspirated. Inside. And your spare tire up front. Your horns and such. Pretty sick. Time to knock out these detail shots so we can get on to the next one.